Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar. It's Monday, March 25th, just about 5 minutes before the market opens. This is a chart of the S&P, a one-day candle chart. I want to call your attention to the Friday last week. The market was down significantly that day, just following the announcement by the Federal Reserve on interest rates being held level, not increased. Now, typically, when the Federal Reserve announces that interest rates are not going to increase, it's good for the stock market because that means that companies can borrow at lower cost. But so the market did go up that day. Check it out. See, nice big candle. But look, on the following day, the market tanked. So why this disparity in the market acting in a way that you would think is opposite to what it should do? Well, that's because the Federal Reserve held interest rates steady because they believe that the economy is slowing down. So that raised the question of a decline, and so traders brought the stock market down. The market is just about to open. It's 9:27. Let's just pause until the market opens. I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, hi guys, we're just about at the market open. Here we go, the market just opened down here at 27.95. Let's see if we can pick up a little bit. It looks like it's moving against us. Nope, I'm gonna close this position. Lost a point there. Not really going anywhere. This is just too unsettled. There's no trend, and there's certainly no momentum. That was a mistake, and I shouldn't have done it. I lost about $100 between those two trades. This is a seesaw market. You can tell this. This is a 15-minute candle. You can tell by the seesaw action between the ups and downs. There's really been no movement since it opened 2 minutes ago. Okay, so the market has not established any momentum in either direction. So we just sit this out. As you know, I'm a big believer in momentum trading. Although in the early part of the day, especially on a Monday morning, where there's generally a preponderance of inclination one way or the other, I like to jump on that, especially on a Monday morning. Today it didn't happen, so we lost a little bit there. Don't mind admitting it. 40% of your trades are going to be losers. So the idea is on the losers to cut them short. Okay? You're not going to make money on every trade. On the winning trades, just let it run. You make a few bucks, great. Get out. On the losers, just drop them. Just drop them, forget about it. Go on from there. There's always another bus. Still nothing happening in any one particular direction. The bulls look like they're determined to come back up to where the market closed on Friday. As you know, all gaps get filled. It looks like it's running that way. I'm going to give it another shot. I mean, if this is the high of the day, then I lose money, but I would tend to think with the bulls still there. The bulls are still there. They haven't capitulated. So with the bulls still being there, I have a hard time thinking that this is the low of the day. I don't see real momentum, although it's moving up in this direction. Now it's closed the gap. Let's see what happens here. The bears took it down a little bit on the open. The bulls brought it back to where it opened. The bears brought it back down. The bulls back up, the bears back down to a doji, and now the bulls have closed the gap to where it closed on Friday. Looks like it still wants to go up. I'm going to get out here too. Okay, picked up about 3 points there. But after the negative day that we had Friday, we closed the gap today. By the way, if you don't want to trade, then don't trade. If you're nervous, if you are not really sure where the market's going to go, don't trade. If you want to gamble, you're in the wrong place. Timeless Dollar is a place where I teach people, or try to teach people, a way they can make money to either supplement their income or be able to tap the E-mini trading market to make money fairly consistently. This is not about gambling. Trading is no fun. Trading is a business. And in a business, my Uncle Phil used to say a business should be a sure thing. You don't want to gamble in a business. Treat your trading like a business. I saw that there were so many people who were in a position that I was in, where I lost my job and I was looking to do something else, and I didn't have a means of making money, and I went through a lot of my savings, almost all my savings, I decided to try the E-mini futures. Eventually, I learned the machinations of the market, the tricks that the professional traders pull. But all those are mind games. If you are looking to make some money trading, you're not a professional. All you have is a predilection toward looking at the price action and where the prices are right now, and how the traders, the bulls, the bears, are reading the market, and how they're acting out their sentiments. This is completely sentiment-driven trading, and you just have to watch what other people are doing. The bulls are trying to make a comeback. The bears are beating them down. I mean, if if you want to take a guess, do so. I'm going to sit this out for a bit. It's 10:08. Um, let's see what happens later in the day. This is Marv Eisen signing off. We picked up a few points today, although the market was choppy. Picked up a few $100 if you were doing this with the kind of thought process that you learned in my course. You made some money, but this is not a market that I feel comfortable in. Anyway, I'm going to sign off for the morning, and I'll see you guys in the afternoon.